Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are here at Pure & Sure, the store and cafe. One of the most interesting things that we discovered about the place is that they source almost 95% of their ingredients from their store. And they serve an amazing assortment of vegan, gluten-free, and totally organic dishes for you to try. So we're gonna go and see what the healthy food trip is all about. So we're at Pure & Sure Cafe in Jayanagar, and we absolutely love all the organic, gluten-free, and vegan options they have on the menu. For example, we have this delicious open-faced burger here made with guacamole, and it looks absolutely amazing. They've also got their own pasta. You can even get millet pasta if you're a little bit more into experimenting and trying more healthy options. They also have this super amazing looking nama chip and dip platter, which is sort of like a South Indian organic healthy take on your regular chip and dip platter. So we just had an absolutely amazing meal at Pure & Sure Cafe located inside the store in Jayanagar. Some of the things that we think you should absolutely try are the jackfruit keema. It's an absolutely amazing substitute for all the people that are trying to go vegan, as well as their pastas, sandwiches, and we absolutely loved their date pudding. They've also got some amazing smoothies. We had the avocado smoothie, which was delicious, and some super great, unique items on the menu, such as a peanut butter latte. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on social media. And don't forget, stay hungry.